Alright, what is going on, everybody? Thank you for tuning on in to the Evergreen Motovlog channel. So today, we have a video where I talk about whatever the hell I want to talk about, because this is my channel. So you know what? To all the haters, shut the I welcome the haters. Haters, come on over and maybe I'll be able to convert a couple of you. You never know. Anyway, what is going on, everybody? Thank you for hanging on out. I feel like I say this a lot, but I just got done filming a couple videos and I decided, you know what? Let's keep the GoPro on and let's just talk some more shit in my helmet, because why the hell not? I don't know. I'm not trying to change my personality too much there, just kind of goofing off. So it is my personality because it's just me goofing off, right? So, yeah. What's going on, everybody? What's up? Assaulted. If you've not had a chance, go ahead and check out both my 0 to 60 Honda Rebel 500 video. And then right after that, I'm going to go ahead and link the video where I talk about Star Wars and Obi-Wan Kenobi, because those are the two videos I just finished filming. So go check those out. But yeah, I'm out here on a nice day. It is the 4th of July, and I'm headed on home. Basically gonna get some stuff together and then gonna go meet up with a couple buddies and have a good time. But at this point, I realize that I've made a grave mistake.
You've made a grave mistake.
That error is that the town that I live in is next to another town, and I'm currently in that other town. And what happens during the weekdays, during rush hour, or really nice days like today, the only road to get between the two towns gets backed up. And it's not the only road, but it's like the difference between driving 10 minutes and driving like an hour, because the only other way to get to that, back to the town that I live in, is by... I like that Chevy, by the way. It's like the late 60s, early 70s body style. It's good stuff. But anyway, the only way to get back to the town, if you skip this kind of direct area, is by driving an hour out of the way, and you have to like go all around all these other cities and stuff. So what happens is, who knows, at some point they just decided that they only needed a single lane road between these two towns, probably back when like nobody lived here. And so now that it's been a while since they built the bridge and the way to get through between the two towns, which also you have to cross over a river, and so they built a bridge, and the river divides two counties as well. And so what happens now on weekdays, because it's like however many decades after they built that road and bridge, is that lots of people live here now, and so on weekdays during rush hour it backs way up. It turns like maybe a 5-minute stretch drive into, I mean, some people have sat in it for 45 minutes. Personally, I'm hoping that it's not that bad today, because if it is, that's gonna suck, because I got places to be. And it's kind of funny, I have to sit in traffic and go across, get some stuff, and then come right back. But the way back is not backed up at all, because the place I'm going for the 4th of July is in this area. I gotta sit in the traffic, and so I figured I wasn't gonna vlog, because like I said, I already got 2 done for the day. I did a full vlog today, and then I wrapped up the 0 to 60 video. So go ahead and check those out like I mentioned previously. But then I realized I'm gonna have to sit in traffic, and I don't know how long I'm gonna have to sit in traffic for. So figured I'd just talk to you guys while I'm doing it, because why the heck not? But it brings me to what I wanted to talk to you in this video a little bit about, and that's just infrastructure, right? I'm sure I've complained about this before. Who hasn't, right? I probably complain about a lot of stuff. Here over at the Evergreen Motovlog channel, we like to complain about lots of things. Infrastructure, man. Like, I get that you can't please everybody and you can't fix every certain thing that goes wrong or needs updating, but man, this bridge needed to be replaced years ago. And a couple years ago, they actually had somebody who hit it with a truck. Somebody drove a truck under it that was too tall, and so they damaged the bridge, and they actually had to close it down for a while. And so, like, I know there's way more to the process and approvals and all that kind of stuff, but, like, come on! They closed the dang thing down for, like, I don't know, at least a couple weeks, maybe even a couple months, and they could have replaced the bridge right then, but they didn't. They did not. So I guess this is a complaint, but leave a comment down below and let me know if you have infrastructure issues where you live, and if it annoys the crap out of you and impacts your daily life, or just impacts things when you're trying to do fun things. I feel like they could have replaced it sooner, and then this traffic wouldn't back up super bad. And you know, it's dangerous because if there's a lot of traffic and an emergency vehicle needs to get across the river, then it just kind of gets backed up and everybody kind of has to move to the side. And you know, there's some big reasons why it's just a better idea to replace that stuff, make it a, you know, fix it now and all that kind of stuff. But anyway, the other thing I wanted to talk about today was, let me think. No, I already know what I was going to talk about. That's why I decided to flip the camera on, right? Right. Well, it kind of sucks. You can't see Mount Rainier. That's like one of the best things on nice days like today, is getting kick-ass views of Mount Rainier, but for whatever reason, there's a bunch of clouds around it. So, just to talk a little bit about just how my confidence has increased with writing. I recently edited, or actually I'm in the process of editing, I haven't fully edited, but I recently edited the writer anxieties video that I have posted, and so that'll kind of give you, I'll probably post, I don't know, I might post this video out of order, who knows, but it's been a while. I filmed that video back in March, and it is currently July, so, and you know what, this traffic, honestly, I was complaining a lot about the traffic, but it has magically gone away, which boggles my mind, because I 100% drove this way an hour ago. It's now 3 o'clock and it was 2 o'clock, and so I came back this way and this whole thing was backed up. What the heck? I'm not going to complain about it, that's awesome, but this was all backed up. This is the area I was talking about, the crawl, the traffic. We're going to be coming up to the bridge up here, so I guess I'm going to cut short my little conversation about how my rider confidence has increased, and I'm going to save that for another video, so I'll go ahead and add it to the video list. Increase in rider confidence after 1 year. So if you forgot to add it, here's your reminder. But yeah, alright, I guess I'm gonna need to cut it off here, because I thought I was just gonna have to go sit in like 15 minutes of traffic or 20 minutes of traffic and complain at you guys about it and talk about random stuff. So never mind. I will go ahead and end it here and let you guys get on your way. I'll get on over to my buddy's house for 4th of July, and hopefully you all had a good, fun, safe 4th of July. I'll go ahead and just do the loop real quick. This is going to be the OG loop. So I'll do the OG loop real quick and just kind of talk a little bit at you guys. So I was just going to mention that I've noticed that my rider confidence has greatly increased since even just a couple months ago when I filmed the video talking about rider anxieties. That's really cool. I'll go ahead and go into details on that in the future, but just to kind of maybe give a little word of encouragement. What is that place? Ice cream. Ooh, got to go check that place out. Toss it in on a food truck frenzy. Yeah, I just wanted to, anybody out there who's just struggling with motorcycle anxieties, I totally understand what you're going through. I've been there. Honestly, sometimes I still am there, just kind of depending on the day, but it does get better. You do get more confident. You get better at riding your bike. You got this. Just kind of bear with it, you know, figure out what the best way that works for you for working through those anxieties. And you know what? If it takes you a while, maybe some of your friends work through it faster than you do, that's totally okay also. Just want to give that encouragement. All y'all out there, you're awesome. Thank you for hanging on out. Hopefully we'll get to filming that other video in just a little bit. But for now, if you liked the video, go ahead and leave a comment. Go ahead and like the video. Let me know how I'm doing. Just kind of a quick random little motovlog here. Nothing crazy going on. Let me know what your thoughts are on infrastructure and just some of your annoyances and frustrations, all of that kind of stuff. Also, go ahead and let me know what your thoughts are on rider anxieties and increasing rider confidence. Because see, if I just pan through here real quick, which I'm at, wow, I am way higher than I thought I was. I'm at 2,755 miles on the Honda Rebel 500. So a year and 2 months into, wow, where's your turn signal? That doesn't have a turn signal. 2,756 miles on the Honda Rebel 500. Gonna need to update it and do a 2750 Honda Rebel 500 review. It's interesting how when you're first starting out, you're so stressed and you're so anxious about a lot of different things, and then just as you get more confident and comfortable and learn your bike more, then those just start to go away. Hang in there, you got this, it'll get better, and yeah, let's just work through it together. So thank you for hanging on out. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, this is the Evergreen Motovlog channel, reminding you to ride safe out there, mind your surroundings, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Peace.